The Ninja BL610 Professional 72/0 Countertop Blender is a standout choice for anyone seeking exceptional blending performance. Equipped with a powerful 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology, this blender effortlessly handles tough tasks like crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, and making creamy smoothies. Its 72-ounce capacity is perfect for families or entertaining guests, allowing you to create large batches of your favorite recipes in one go. Designed with precision and durability, the sleek black exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the BPA-free materials ensure safe and healthy use. For customers searching for the best countertop blenders, the Ninja BL610 delivers a balance of power, convenience, and versatility. Its easy-to-use control panel simplifies blending, and the dishwasher-safe pitcher makes cleanup hassle-free. Whether you're preparing a refreshing smoothie for breakfast or crafting frozen desserts for a party, this blender meets a variety of needs with ease. Customers also appreciate its sturdy design and reliable performance, which outshine many competitors in its price range. To maximize satisfaction, consider using the blender for a range of tasks beyond beverages, such as making soups, sauces, and even nut butters. For best results, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for usage and cleaning. With the Ninja BL610, you're investing in a high-performing appliance that has earned its place among the best countertop blenders, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every time. The Unbiased commercial blender for smoothies is a powerful and versatile appliance designed to meet the demands of both home and commercial kitchens. With an impressive 2200-watt motor and a robust 6-leaf stainless steel blade, this blender excels at crushing ice, blending smoothies, and creating purees with exceptional speed and precision. Its 2200 ml capacity is ideal for large batches, making it perfect for restaurants, cafes, or family gatherings. The 15-speed settings provide excellent control, allowing you to customize the texture of your blends to perfection. Additionally, the soundproof cover reduces noise, making it a great choice for busy environments where minimizing disruptions is essential. For those seeking the best countertop blenders, the Unbiased commercial blender stands out for its heavy-duty performance and innovative features. Its durable design ensures reliability even with frequent use, while the soundproof cover is a thoughtful addition that enhances user experience. This blender is particularly well-suited for preparing smoothies, shakes, soups, and crushing ice, ensuring consistent results every time. Its sleek black design fits seamlessly into modern kitchens, and the high-quality materials ensure safety and longevity. To achieve maximum satisfaction with your Unbiased blender, follow the recommended maintenance tips, such as cleaning the blade assembly and soundproof cover after each use. Utilize the variable speeds to experiment with different recipes, from silky smoothies to chunky salsa. With its exceptional functionality and user-friendly features, the Unbiased commercial blender easily earns its place among the best countertop blenders, providing a reliable and professional-grade blending experience. The IMAGESPICTURES blender is a reliable and powerful addition to any kitchen, designed to handle a variety of blending tasks with ease. Featuring a robust 1500-watt motor, this professional countertop blender effortlessly crushes ice, blends frozen drinks, and creates smooth, consistent textures for all your favorite recipes. Its 68-ounce large capacity is perfect for preparing meals and beverages for families, gatherings, or meal prep. The sleek white design adds a modern touch to your kitchen while complementing any decor. Built with high-quality materials, the IMAGESPICTURES blender is durable and safe, ensuring long-term use and excellent performance. For those searching for the best countertop blenders, the IMAGESPICTURES blender offers a combination of power, capacity, and precision. Its versatile performance is ideal for everything from creamy smoothies to hearty soups, and its easy-to-use controls make it a great option for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The large pitcher size minimizes the need for multiple batches, saving time and effort. Whether you're blending tough ingredients like frozen fruits or creating delicate emulsions, This blender consistently delivers professional quality results. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's important to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for usage and cleaning. Regular maintenance, such as washing the pitcher and blades after each use, will help preserve its performance. Additionally, experimenting with the blender's power settings can help you achieve the perfect texture for a variety of recipes. With its powerful motor, generous capacity, and stylish design, the Ato blender easily secures its spot among the best countertop blenders, providing exceptional value for any kitchen. The Viewir Smoothie Blender is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact and efficient blending solution for their kitchen. With a 900-watt motor, this personal blender is powerful enough to handle a variety of blending tasks, including making smoothies, shakes, and juices. Its design includes two 22-ounce BPA free-to-go cups, making it ideal for busy individuals who need their drinks on the go. Despite its compact size, this blender delivers impressive performance, blending ingredients smoothly and consistently. The modern, space-saving design fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup, and its simple operation ensures ease of use for all skill levels. If you're on the hunt for the best countertop blenders that combine power and portability, the Viewir Smoothie Blender stands out as a versatile and reliable option. It is perfect for preparing nutritious drinks quickly, whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, or mixing protein shakes. The included to-go cups are a convenient addition, allowing you to blend and enjoy your drinks without transferring them to another container. This feature is especially useful for those with active lifestyles or limited time in the morning. To maximize customer satisfaction, ensure proper use by following the recommended guidelines for ingredient quantities and blending times. Regular cleaning of the cups and blades after each use will help maintain hygiene and performance. With its strong motor, practical design, and convenient accessories, the Viewir Smoothie Blender earns its place among the best countertop blenders, offering a perfect blend of functionality and convenience for health-conscious users. The NutriBullet Full-Size SmartSense Blender Combo 1200 watts is a versatile and intelligent appliance designed to make blending easier and more efficient. With its powerful 1200-watt motor, this blender handles everything from crushing ice to blending frozen fruits and vegetables with ease. The SmartSense technology intuitively adjusts the blending speed and power, ensuring optimal results for every recipe. Whether you're preparing creamy smoothies, hearty soups, or homemade nut butters, this blender offers professional-level performance in a sleek, dark gray design that complements modern kitchens. For those looking for the best countertop blenders, the NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo stands out for its blend of power and innovation. It includes multiple blending modes and speeds, making it simple to customize your drinks and meals. The large pitcher is perfect for family-sized portions, while the included smaller cups are ideal for single servings or on-the-go convenience. This flexibility ensures that the blender adapts to your lifestyle, whether you're making quick breakfasts or preparing meals for guests. To ensure satisfaction, follow the usage guidelines provided in the manual, especially when blending tougher ingredients. Regular cleaning of the detachable components, which are dishwasher-safe, will keep the blender in top condition. Experimenting with its various modes can help you discover the perfect settings for your favorite recipes. With its combination of advanced technology, power, and user-friendly features, the NutriBullet Full-Size SmartSense Blender easily earns a spot among the best countertop blenders, delivering consistent and high-quality results for a variety of culinary needs.